What if I told you the strongest version of you is already inside you, waiting for just one decision? Most people think they need a gym, expensive equipment, or perfect conditions to build muscle. But here's the truth. Your body doesn't care where you train. It only cares that you train. And today, I'm going to show you how you can build muscle fast at home, even if you're a complete beginner. Stay with me till the end, because this simple plan can transform your body faster than you expect. Warm up, 2 minutes only. Let's start easy. A quick warm-up wakes up your muscles and prevents injury. Arm circles, 30 seconds. March in place, 30 seconds. Light squats, 30 seconds. Shoulder rolls, 30 seconds. Just 2 minutes and you're ready. Upper body workout. No equipment required. Push-ups, 10 to 12 reps. Incline push-ups, sofa/wall, 12 reps. Tricep dips, chair, 10 to 12 reps. These exercises hit your chest, shoulders, and arms hard, perfect for beginners. Lower body workout. Strong legs equals strong body. Squats, 12 to 15 reps. Reverse lunges, 10 each leg. Wall sit, 20 to 30 seconds. This builds leg strength and burns fat fast. Core workout. To tighten your waist and build stability. Plank, 20 to 30 seconds. Crunches, 12 reps. Leg raises, 10 reps. Your core is your foundation, never skip it. Cool down, 1 minute. Take a deep breath. Stretch your arms, legs, and core. Let your body relax. This helps muscle growth and recovery. You don't need a gym. You don't need fancy machines. You just need consistency and the decision to start today. If you can give just 10 minutes a day, your body will change faster than you think.